The opposition People's National Party is promising to embark on a massive housing infrastructure program over the next 5 years if it forms the next government. In its recently released manifesto, the PNP is planning to build 130,000 housing units through the National Housing Trust (NHT). Some of those houses will be set aside for special categories of persons. Andrea Chisholm has been reading sections of the manifesto and now reports.
Of the 130,000 housing units to be constructed over 5 years, the PNP is proposing to allocate 3,000 of them for market and street vendors. Teachers, transport operators, including taxi drivers, workers in the entertainment as well as those in the tourism industry, will have a special allocation of 5,000 units each. $5 billion have also been identified for over 5 years to refresh infrastructure in housing schemes. Rent-to-own housing schemes will also be developed, with members of the security forces being given priority. Under the program, persons will initially rent the property with a percentage of the rent going towards a down payment. After the down payment is achieved, the rent becomes the mortgage. As for residents in inner-city communities, a $400,000 grant will be provided for home improvement with a special focus on sewage treatment facilities. And with crime and violence still a major problem, the PNP says its mandate is to dramatically reduce crime over the next 5 years. How? The size of the police force will be increased. Police will be able to patrol for 24 hours as the number of functional vehicles will be tripled within the first year. Mobile police stations will also be set up. All government buildings will be equipped with closed-circuit television to feed into the Jamaica Eye system. Private homes and businesses will get an incentive if they participate in the Jamaica Eye program. Incentives too for police officers who recover guns, as well as an increase to rewards through Crime Stop. Over 170 police stations will get Wi-Fi, and the Coast Guard will become more competent through additional boats, helicopters, drones, and satellite surveillance technology. A border rapid response unit will also be established. The Sexual Offenders Registry will be made public, the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions strengthened, as well as partnerships with the Dispute Resolution Foundation and the Peace Management Initiative. The PNP also has plans for other sectors including micro, small and medium-sized enterprises, education and healthcare. Details of the manifesto can be accessed on the internet. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.